Today we're at Albemarle Boats and we're checking out the latest with Keith Privott. And Keith, tell us your title.
Director of Sales and Product Development.
So what are we standing on today?
This is our 41 Custom Carolina edition.
This is the flagship, by the way, correct?
Currently the flagship. We do have a bigger boat in process, but for now this is our flagship.
All right, let's go over the details. Here we are in the cockpit. We're going to fish this thing hard. What do we have going on back here?
This particular boat, we have a lot of options back here as far as storage and how you use the arrangements. So ice maker, refrigerated box, another refrigerated box, and then of course the mezzanine seats. Rocket launchers are optional, but plenty of gunnel space, bigger rod holders, nice long outriggers. It's made to fish offshore.
Comfortable teak underneath our feet as well.
This is actually a flexi teak, so it's a synthetic teak. A lot easier to maintain, but still gives you the real teak look and feel.
So as we step up to the helm area, we have a lot going on up there. Comfortable seating.
We do. So this particular boat has Release Marine, and we offer different seating options as far as chair manufacturers. Big, large displays, capable of holding 17, 22-inch displays, usually triple displays. And the biggest thing you'll notice is the composite windshield, one-piece glass, so there's no impaired visibility. Everything is nice and clean. You see 360 view all the way around you.
Fantastic. And if we need to get out of the elements to cool off or maybe spend the night on the hook, it looks beautiful down below.
It does. So we feature a forward stateroom, a dinette that converts into 3, and obviously a lot of floor space. It's a big, beamy boat, so you get a lot of space down below, and that's one of the biggest things that people comment is the size of the interior and the space available down below.
And the finishes are absolutely on point, honestly. Can we talk about the performance for a little bit?
Sure. This boat has the Cummins QSM11 715s. We also offer the Volvo D11 at 725. Both are typically 30, 31 knot cruise and 34, 35 knot top end, and roughly 500-mile range on this boat.
So it's a Carolina classic, right? It does well in tough seas, correct?
Correct. Well, that's what she's made for. So we overbuild. This boat's typically 37, 38,000 pounds, but it's a solid hull bottom and just made to run well in rough seas. And we tell people if you can't run 20 to 22 knots in this boat, no matter how rough it gets, nobody needs to be out fishing.
So when we talk about this boat, we have options as an owner, correct?
That's correct. Even though we are a production company, we're semi-custom. So every boat that leaves our facility has its own little touches on it. An owner can customize it. Obviously, if we're sending a 41 to the Great Lakes, it's going to be a completely different layout than North Carolina or even South Florida. So we have the option to lay the boat out for different uses.
So you guys are an iconic brand. You've been in the business a long time, and I think the craftsmanship really shows.
Well, thank you. We have the last 5 to 10 years, we've really stepped up. Our interiors are all grain matched. We really pay attention to detail. You don't see a lot of caulk seams. You don't see a lot of hardware exposed. Just trying to keep everything clean, clutter-free, and of course that adds to fishability as well. So you're not snagging lines and hooking on everything as the action starts to heat up.
Well, there you have it. This boat, like again, for now, for a short little while, it's the flagship. Got more coming in the future, so pay attention. Keith, I want to thank you for your time, and this is a beauty.
Thank you. I appreciate it.